The convert point tool, what it does is it edits existing vector shapes or paths by converting smooth anchor points to corner anchor points and vice versa. All you do, you just hover over a point, click on it, and it converts it from a curved to a straight anchor point. All right, that's it. If you need to get the curve back, all you do is hover over it, click and drag. This adds handles to any anchor point. So once you got the drag going, you can hold Alt to break it, same as using the regular pen tool, and then you can control each anchor point separately. So it doesn't just convert the anchor points, it lets you control the handles. This is what you're going to want to do if you forget to add handles to a specific point. Say you got a point that needs a curve on it and you accidentally just use the pen tool and click the once, right? Say I did that. We go ahead and get the convert point tool, click and drag, and then you added points to it. You really don't need to grab the tool every time, because when you have the pen tool, if you hold Alt and hover over anchor point, it pulls out the convert point tool automatically. And then when you let go, you can hold Alt again and break the point, or break the handle. There's no options for the convert point tool also, guys, so the only thing you see here is presets, but you don't need presets because you can't change any of the options anyway, so it doesn't matter. So that's the convert point tool in Photoshop. Again, if you got any questions or comments, make sure to put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.